What's up, guys? This is my second video, and in this video I'm going to be going around the city and see what happens when I cough up blood. See what kind of reactions I get. So let's go.
Or the police or something. 911. Yeah. Let's see.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's Marcus Tisdale. Hope you like my video. I have $20 here. $20 I'm going to be giving away to the person who can post the craziest joke on their Twitter account. But first, you have to follow me on Twitter and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Comedy Experiments. Whoever posts the craziest, goriest joke will get $20 directly to their PayPal account. So, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Twitter, and post your joke on your Twitter account. I'm going to look through all the jokes. The craziest joke will get $20. Alright.